Hello, peoples. Okay, I feel like you want to buy this house, so follow me. I will give you a tour of this house. Oh, over here is a nice big oak tree and a pond. Little casual, nothing too special. And if you follow me here, we have the garden and the fountain. And this is the entrance of the house. If you walk in, here is the kitchen. We have a fridge, the stove, nice 6-chair table. Here's the TV, the nice big flat screen TV. Over here. Oh, and here is our fish tank. You can sit here and relax and watch. Over here is our bathroom. We just have one bathroom, which is okay. And in here, we have a garage. Now, there's cars in here already, but that is okay. If you follow me into here. We shall go upstairs. And there's a bat, I don't know why. Here are the rooms. This is one room. This is another room. This is one more room. And addition to this house is that if you come in here, there is a door here that leads to the back, which I will show you. Which leads to the back. Will I show you later or now? We have a pool and we got a diving board and we got a nice little house for the little doggy. There he is, little boy right there. Now, if you follow me back into the house. Follow me back into the house. We're back in the kitchen. And there's a little, bats. I wonder why. And up here is a way to a roof. So if we climb up here, open it. Here's our helicopter and helicopter pad. And there we got a nice view of the whole house and the world. There's the road. And this is a nice view of it. Yeah, how do you like it? So one more thing. This is our balcony. And that's really it. Ooh, nice eye fountain too. So thank you for coming, you guys, for this tour. Now, where are they? Shoot. Okay, goodbye now. Goodbye now. Goodbye now.